guys, so I have finally finished. Why are you wearing a Christmas shirt? It's a Christmas themed video. It's February. I'm going to explain. Okay? Anyway, so to explain, I originally had planned to have this video finished around Christmas, by the end of December. However, that didn't quite happen. And then I was hoping to have it done last month, except then I kind of got sick with the coves. And that's why my nose is still kind of stuffy and whatnot. So basically it's been delayed, and a lot of what I've been doing last month is just binge watching YouTube and coloring books. So I haven't really been doing too much, and then work, though there have been some days that I've had to like leave early or go or call off or whatnot, when it was like worse. Today I went to Home Goods and I saw this kit. It is a sequin craft kit, and this one is a Christmas tree, as you can see. And it contains polystyrene foam board, colored sequins, colored artwork, pins, and instructions. And so I thought we would try this out today. So let's get to it. Here is the craft set with everything that you get. So, this is the artwork. This is the styrofoam board. We get a whole bunch of sequins and a whole bunch of nails and our little instruction sheet. So basically, step one, you begin by finding a flat surface to work on. Organize materials by placing sequins and pins in an organizer box or multiple little bowls not included. Make sure to separate the sequins into colored groups, and then place the printed sheets onto styrofoam board, so like so, and then ensure it is sitting neatly inside to keep it secure. Then pin each corner and use the colored circles on the printed sheet as a color guide. You can also use the front of the box. Pick a color to begin with and then slot a pin through the hole of a sequin, cup side up, and next match the color to the corresponding printed circle. Push each pin through the white dot in the center to firmly hold the sequins in place. Ensure you are pushing the pin all the way down. Repeat until it is complete. If you make a mistake, simply pull the pin out and change or move it again. Sequin art may take you a few sessions to complete it, so save the box for reference. And yeah, so basically it says that you use the foam board, and then you get to open each package, which I should probably use scissors, because if I don't use scissors, then, well, we all know what can happen. And then we have lots of sequins. And more sequins. It says to use an organizer box, but I don't really have one right now, so yeah, we're just gonna do it this way. So you take a pin, and then you take it, and then you take the sequin with the cup side up. So I think that means the it'll curve up, and then stick it together. And you stick it into the middle of one of these holes and pin it all the way down. And we just have our first little sequin right there. So we only need to do that about 1,000,000 more times. Okay, it has been about an hour that I've been working on this, and as you can see, I haven't gotten too far yet. I still have a whole lot to go. And I will have to find an organizer box so that I can start putting in more of the colors as I go along. But I did start with some of the white and some of the orange. But it's coming along slowly. I plan to do the star last because traditionally a star goes on last, so I figured I would do that. But anyway, so this is how my sequin art turned out. And it is just really pretty. I found this set at Home Goods. They do have non-Christmas ones too, because I did see one that's like a bouquet of flowers. But it did take a while. It took longer than I'd hoped, but it was still pretty easy. I'm guessing it's probably similar to diamond art painting, which I do have a couple of diamond art kits. I just haven't gotten to them yet. And so basically with this, you just take a sequin, take a straight pin, and you just poke it where it tells you on the color and everything. And you get some shiny art. Look at that shininess, just so pretty. So yeah, this was a fun project to do. The bottom part, I may add some glue to it because the bottom little things want to come off, but that's okay. And so anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I do have a Valentine's themed video that I plan to do for this month and some other videos. So I will see you in the next one. Bye!